So very good morning all of you, and today I'm here to discuss about a very crucial topic. This is one of the most crucial topic, I would say, which is asked by the people, right? So before proceeding further, I would request you guys just visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe my channel and like my videos as well, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will be updated on the time. So guys, the topic is like something which I'm just going to touch is how can you make your day productive, more productive as you want, right? So because this is the question which is asked by the people, and a lot of people, a lot of people are confused that how can they make their day productive, and how can just get most out of it. So this is the thing that people are just not able to do it. So let me tell you some of the tips and tricks which can help you to make your day productive. So the first thing which I'm going to discuss is like making to-do list. Okay, so how it can help you to make your day productive is like something, if you just start making to-do list. So I'm telling you that the first thing is like it keeps your mind aware about the things which you have to do in the particular time for that particular day. So this is the very important thing. Okay, because you can't just remember all the things, all the tasks for the day in your mind, right? So you'll have to written it down somewhere that you can just keep updated. So this is the first thing. And the second, I would say that you can just write down all the tasks which you are just going to do on that particular day. So if you just write down all the tasks, it will help you out to complete those tasks at the particular time. This is very important. That's why you must have heard about successful people that they make to-do list. It's a very small task, it's not a kind of a huge task. You can just do it. To-do list will take hardly 5 to 6 minutes to write down the things for your day, right? So this is the first thing that you can apply to make your day productive, and you can just do it every single day. It's not like something that you'll have to do only once in a week and twice in a week. No, every single day you can just apply these things, right? And it will definitely help you out to make your day productive. I'm telling you, because I have been just doing these things for a very long time. And the second thing, that don't use much social media platforms, I would say, because social media platform, I would say, this is one of the most time consuming thing, because most of the people, they are just wasting their time in social media, in Instagram, in a Facebook and all these things. And this is one of the major reason that people can't make their day productive, right? Just because of they are just indulge in their in their phones and in their social media platforms. In India, if I would say that very few people are just earning through social media. Very few people are successful in social media, and most of the majority just wasting their time in social media in India. I would say 70% of the people are just wasting their time. They are not getting a single penny from social media platforms, but still they are just wasting. So I'm not just going to bash anyone, but the thing is that I just want you guys aware about these things, and you guys are also aware of all these things. But I just want to remind you that social media is like kind of a thing that you can just use it. If you just use it in controls, don't cross the boundaries, that would be okay for you. But if you just use it beyond the limitations, I would say, so that would be harmful for you. So this is the things which you just have to realize. So, and the third one is like try to develop a habit to wake up early. This is one of the best thing, I would say. You can just wake up early in the morning, because when you just wake up early in the morning, you can do a lot of your work done in the morning, right? So your half of the task you can complete at the morning time, right? Because if you just wake up at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, so you can't just make your day productive, man, because there is no way that you can just make your day productive, because you are just sleeping half the day. So this is, I just want to tell you to develop a good discipline in your life, because discipline is very important, right? Then only you can make your day productive, if you are disciplined, right? So just wake up early in the morning, and the to-do list which you which you follow in your daily routine, just follow that to-do list, follow those routines in your life, and do all the work in a particular time. Just try to do all the work in a particular time. And I would say just try to do these things for 21 days. Once you just complete your 21 days, you will be habitual automatically. Automatically you will be habitual, and automatically all these things will be happen consciously. So you don't have to put efforts to do all these things. But the thing is that you'll have to follow all these things for 21 days. Okay, once you just create a habit of make your day productive, then your life will be, I would say that, easier. Your life will be would be easier, and your life will be successful. Because if you are disciplined, then only you can be succeed in your life. Otherwise there is no other way that you can succeed. So these are the things which are very important. So this is not about only to-do list or make your day productive. This is about your life as well, that how can you just make your life productive as well, and how can you just succeed in your life. So these are the mantras which I have just explained you earlier. You can just follow all these things, and you can just make your life better, make your future better, and you can make your day better as well. Thank you guys for giving your precious time. Have a good day ahead, and please take care of yourself. At the end of the video, I just want to recommend you that please take care of yourself and your family member, because COVID-19 is not end up yet, and please take all the precautions which are very, very important to prevent this disease away from you. Thank you guys.